You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Nollywood actor and movie director Rasak Owokoniran, popularly known as Wasu, has taken to his Instagram page and announced the arrival of a baby boy with his wife. Sharing the first photo of the baby, the movie producer wrote, "Congratulatory message has been trooping in since the announcement from fellow celebrities and fans on social media.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.